Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The resort corridor of Tower Isle offers a laid-back living experience with all needed amenities within a short distance. In fact, the property is less than a 5 minutes drive to Sugarpot Beach. Ocho Rios is a mere 10 minutes drive and offers all the major attractions. This beautiful 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom house that spreads over 3 levels offers a great income earning potential. It also offers 2 separate drive-in entrances. The main entrance provides access to the kitchen, dining, living, and 1 bedroom. On this level, there is also the laundry and powder room. One flight of stairs up takes you to 3 bedrooms, which includes a primary and 2 bedrooms. There is also a living room, which leads to the balcony, offering a great sea view. The lower floor, which has its own driveway, is totally self-contained with 3 bedrooms, bathrooms, a kitchen, and veranda. Call today to view this property, which offers great opportunities. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is US 449,000 or Jamaican $71.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.